Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cortex, the place where we break down complex cryptocurrency topics into bite-sized, easy-to-understand content. If you're new to the channel, we talk about everything from major coin movements to emerging trends in the space and long-term predictions that can help you make the most out of your investments. Today's episode is special. We're not only diving into Ethereum's future, which is looking incredibly promising, but we'll also discuss a range of topics that are going to change the landscape of the crypto market. The rise of altcoins, the role of AI, real-world assets RWA, and the future of crypto in gaming. I'll tell you right now, if you're watching this, you're in the right place at the right time. Let's get into the details. Ethereum's massive potential. The road to Ethereum 2.0. We can't talk about the future of crypto without mentioning Ethereum. We've been through some intense market conditions over the past couple of years: bear markets, regulatory issues, and even scaling problems. But here's the thing. Ethereum is still king in terms of utility and long-term potential. Ethereum 2.0, which is already rolling out, is a game changer. As you know, Ethereum has transitioned from proof-of-work POW to proof-of-stake POS as part of its effort to become more energy efficient and scalable. And while some naysayers might argue it's been a slow transition, the reality, this move will ensure Ethereum remains the backbone of decentralized finance, DeFi, and beyond. Right now, the number of Ethereum addresses holding significant amounts of ETH has been on the rise. This isn't by accident. More institutions and retail investors are catching onto the potential of Ethereum. And with each passing month, Ethereum's role, the base layer for Web3 and DeFi applications, is becoming clearer. Looking ahead, Ethereum is about to see some major upgrades that could drive the price much higher. Scalability solutions like shard chains will drastically increase transaction throughput. When those layers are fully implemented, Ethereum will be able to handle millions of transactions per second without sacrificing security or decentralization. Let's talk about why ETH's price is set to go higher. We all know about the scarcity factor. ETH supply is becoming deflationary. Thanks to EIP 1559, Ethereum's base fee is burned, which reduces the total supply of ETH over time. Combine that with the staking rewards and reduced inflation, and you've got a recipe for an upward price movement. Ethereum's long-term vision, which is to power everything from decentralized apps, dApps, to NFTs and the next generation of financial products, is incredibly powerful. While it might not hit $20,000 or $30,000 in the short term, there's a real possibility of ETH breaking its all-time high and pushing the $6,000, $8,000 range in the next bull run. We've seen this cycle play out before. Remember the 2017 bull market? Ethereum hit a new ETH and then soared even higher in 2021. History has a tendency to repeat itself, and all the infrastructure, layer 2 solutions, and DeFi applications currently being built on Ethereum only increase its chances of repeating that success. If you're in ETH for the long run, buckle up, because we could see another big move. The rising tide of altcoins, why they matter more than ever. Next, let's talk about altcoins. While Ethereum is the king of the blockchain, there's an entire ecosystem of altcoins that are poised for massive gains in the coming months and years. The key here is understanding which altcoins are truly unique, have real utility, and are undervalued right now. First off, let's talk about Solana Sol. While there's been some volatility with Solana, especially with network outages in the past, it's important to remember that Solana's focus on high throughput and low fees positions it as a strong competitor to Ethereum. Think about it, Ethereum can be expensive and congested at times, and Solana provides an alternative with fast, cheap transactions. Solana's role in DeFi and NFTs is growing, and as developers increasingly flock to the platform, Solana could see another wave of adoption. It's not a question of if Solana will hit new highs, it's a matter of when. Another underrated gem is Polkadot. Polkadot's entire vision is to create a multi-chain ecosystem that allows different blockchains to interoperate with each other. This solves the issue that even Ethereum faces, a siloed ecosystem. With parachains and its cross-chain capabilities, Polkadot could rise as a major player in the multi-chain world. Also, don't sleep on Cardano ADA. Cardano has been a bit slow on the adoption front, but its methodical approach and focus on scalability and security put it in a strong position for the future. With smart contract functionality now live, Cardano's ecosystem will only continue to expand, especially as new projects start building on it. If you're looking for a project that's just getting started, Cardano could easily see new highs in the next bull market. Finally, Avalanche AVAX, another blockchain that's quietly carving out its own space in the ecosystem. Avalanche's subnets and low transaction fees make it an appealing option for DeFi and other dApps. It's still early in its growth cycle, so this could be a huge winner if the market continues to evolve in its direction. AI in crypto. How artificial intelligence is changing the game. Now, let's shift gears and talk about one of the most exciting developments in the world of crypto: artificial intelligence AI. We're not just talking about AI algorithms here. We're talking about how AI will change the way we use blockchain and decentralized technology in the future. AI isn't just about cool tech and self-driving cars anymore, it's deeply embedded in the way we interact with technology. In fact, AI is going to be critical to many blockchain projects going forward. Projects like the Graph and SingularNet are paving the way for decentralized AI, allowing open-source AI networks to operate on blockchain platforms. As AI becomes more integrated into decentralized systems, we're going to see massive growth in both the AI market and the blockchain space. AI applications require huge computational resources, and that means there's a growing need for decentralized infrastructure to support them. For example, projects like Fetch.ai and Ocean Protocol working on creating AI-powered ecosystems where data can be traded, analyzed, and used in various applications. These are not just small projects, they have the potential to disrupt entire industries, from healthcare to financial markets. If you're not looking at AI coins, you're missing out on one of the biggest trends in the next decade. As AI continues to evolve and integrate with blockchain technology, it's only a matter of time before these coins experience massive appreciation. Real-world assets RWA, the next big thing in crypto. Let's talk about something that's gaining a lot of attention recently: real-world assets RWA. This is going to be one of the most disruptive forces in crypto in the coming years. Real-world assets refer to physical assets like real estate, art, and even stocks that can be tokenized and traded on the blockchain. Tokenizing these assets allows them to be fractionalized, which means they become more accessible and liquid than ever before. One project leading the charge is MantraDAO, which aims to make tokenized real estate a reality. Ondo Finance is another great example, allowing people to tokenize real-world assets like bonds and real estate. These kinds of projects will make it possible for individuals to invest in large-scale assets that were once only available to the ultra-wealthy. We're talking about a world where almost everything from gold to art to land can be traded digitally on the blockchain. This is a massive opportunity for crypto investors to tap into traditional markets that were previously closed off. The future of gaming and NFTs, crypto's next frontier. Lastly, let's talk about the future of gaming and NFTs. The world of blockchain gaming is just starting to take off, and the next few years are going to be huge for projects in this space. We've already seen some incredible games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox bringing real value to players through NFTs. But this is just the beginning. New projects like Off the Grid and Star Atlas are pushing the envelope in terms of what blockchain gaming can achieve. Gaming will soon be the primary use case for NFTs and decentralized applications. The rise of play-to-earn models, where players can earn crypto for playing, is going to create a massive influx of users into the blockchain space. If you're looking for projects that could explode in the coming years, gaming coins should definitely be on your radar. These coins are not only tied to the growth of the gaming industry, but also to the entire virtual economy being built around it. There you have it. We are on the cusp of some of the most exciting changes in crypto. Ethereum's next big run, the explosive potential of altcoins, the rise of AI-powered crypto, the tokenization of real-world assets, and the future of blockchain gaming. This is just the beginning. If you're ready to dive deep into these trends, there's no better time than now. As always, remember to do your own research, and as long as you stay informed, the future of cryptocurrency is yours to take advantage of. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content.